ஆர் நேச்சுரல் ஸ்டார். என்னதான் வந்து தெலுங்கு படம் வந்து பண்ணியிருந்தாலுமே வந்து எங்க ஊருப்பா அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ஃபீல் வந்து எப்போதுமே உங்களை பார்க்கும்போது எங்களுக்கு வந்து கிடைச்சிக்கிட்டே இருக்கு. அண்ட் எல்லா படம் பார்க்கும்போதும் வந்து எங்களுக்கு அந்த ஃபீலிங் வந்து இருந்துகிட்டே தான் இருக்கு. எங்க ஊர்ப்பா, தமிழ் தமிழ் ஹீரோ தான்ப்பா அப்படின்னு எங்களுக்கு எந்த டிஃப்ரென்ஸுமே இல்லை. ஸோ இப்போ தமிழ்லையும் நீங்க படம் பண்றீங்க, ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். ஸோ இதுக்கும் எங்களுடைய மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்கள். ஃபியூ வேர்ட்ஸ் ப்ளீஸ்.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். నాకు ఎలాగో కన్యాన్నకి తెలుగు వచ్చి కాబట్టి తెలుగులో చెప్తా ఫస్ట్లో. తర్వాత తర్వాత నాకు తమిళ రాదు కాబట్టి ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తాను అందరికీ. థ్యాంక్స్ కన్యన్న, ఈరోజు రావడం ఇట్స్ వెరీ స్పెషల్. అంటే ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినప్పుడు మీరందరూ ఉన్నారు, బట్ నాకు బిగినింగ్లో చెన్నైలో షూట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఈజ్ మై క్లోజెస్ట్. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి నా ప్రతిసారి even when I'm not shooting for his film, I used to meet him and then only go back to Hyderabad. Now he's a very very busy actor in Telugu, so we don't get to meet in Hyderabad. But thanks Anna, thanks again. And I'm very very happy being here today. Reason is I've broken Tamil பேசணும் எனக்கு பிடிக்காது. ஸோ அதுக்கு தான் நான் இங்கிலீஷில் பேசுகிறேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் மோர் கான்ஃபிடென்ட்గా తమిళ్లో మాట్లాడతాను. సో I even Telugu audience know, in every interview of mine, when they ask me what inspired you to become an actor, I always tell them it's Mani sir films and Kamal sir films. So I have grown up watching a lot of Tamil cinema, and Tamil cinema has been an inspiration for me to come into cinema. I loved watching a lot of Telugu cinema in theaters and all, but to become a film, come into the film industry, a lot of Tamil technicians, Tamil actors, Tamil cinema has inspired me a lot. So I always had that one special bond and special connection with the language and Tamil films in special. And so when I started, I wanted to do Tamil films also regularly, continuously. Then I did after Naan-E, இங்கே அது பெரிய ஹிட்டு. அதுக்கப்புறம் whenever I came to Chennai to shoot Jenna Pickup Raju or to shoot Veppam or Needane and Purnasandam Telugu version, from the airport I used to get a lot of love. Elder women treating me like their own son. I used to say like you are like one proper Tamil paya, and so I used to feel very very special. So I have some connection from the past life, could be, or this life itself. So I always felt I need to be here also. There needs to be home here also. And then I did Veppam. Didn't work at the box office. And I did Aha Kalyanam, tried again. That also didn't work at the box office. And then I asked myself, something is going wrong. Why it didn't work? Because that much love you have showed me for a half an hour role in Iga, in Naan-E, and the films didn't work. Then I've understood we shouldn't think too much about nativizing the film, or putting few Telugu actors, few Tamil actors, making a bilingual. It doesn't work like that. Not every film is for everybody. Then I thought I need to take a break. I need to find my ground in Telugu, and then I have to come back to revisit my extended family and in a proper way. And I took a long time. There was a big break, but so I wanted a right film, a film which is not native of Tamil, not native of Telugu. It's something which just has the heart in the right place, which any human being can connect from the heart. And I wish I had an opportunity like that with Jersey, because I knew how many Tamil audience loved the film. Watching the Telugu film, every day on social media, everywhere, I get a lot of appreciation from Tamil audience. I wish I did that, but at that time I couldn't. So I waited, and I knew I had to do the right film. And then other films, my Tak Jagdish and all came in OTT. But at that time, that was all native films. Those were not preferred for me in Tamil. So when I did Shyam, when I heard Shyam itself, I remember telling the team also in the beginning that I want this film to be in Tamil, because I thought after these many years, if I have learned, if I come back to Tamil cinema, it has to prove that that he did grow, he did learn something, or whatever I have done mistakes in 2012 and 13, you have, it should feel like I understood what it was. So Shyam Singh Roy really felt like that film. I need to come back to you, to all of you, and I'm very happy the film came out so well, and we are all very confident as a team. Pallavi did amazing job, and already we are just 1 week away, and I can't really wait for all of you to watch it in theaters and give your feedback to us. And yeah, once again thanking my entire team who made it possible, including Venkat Garu. Otherwise the film wouldn't have shaped this way. And once again thank you media for being here. Definitely post the release, I am sure you'll all love the film, and we will again come back here, and I will try to say a few dialogues of the film also in Tamil, and we will celebrate the success of Shyam Singh Roy Tamil version also here in Chennai again with all of you. Thank you so much once again. Thanks a lot. Feels very special coming back. Thank you.
தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். அண்ட் கண்டிப்பாக நீங்கள் வந்து டைலாக் பேசி காட்டணும், ஏன்னா தமிழில் வந்து நீங்கள் தான் டப் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க வேற. ஸோ